When you're dieting, it can be hard to stay on track, especially if you've hit a plateau, which is common when trying to shed those unwanted pounds. So whether you've stopped losing weight or you're just starting out on your weight loss journey, we're going to give you 10 reasons why you should consider Optifast. Created by Nestlé Health Science and backed with over 40 years of experience, Optifast is a meal replacement product that was developed by scientists and has been widely researched to help maximize your fat loss. Optifast products are low in calories at just 216 calories per serving on average. However, each serving contains a whopping 20 grams of protein, so despite being lower in calories, they keep you feeling full. Optifast meals are nutritionally complete and contain all the nutrients your body needs to ensure a healthy weight loss. All of our products are packed with the goodness of 28 vitamins and minerals and are a fantastic source of dietary fiber, helping to support your digestive health. Not only that, but the Optifast range is available in a variety of delicious flavors, formats and recipes that taste great. Optifast is a scientifically designed weight loss program backed by over 120 studies. At Nestlé Health Science, all of our Optifast products are manufactured and tested to meet only the highest quality of standards, so you can be assured that you are getting the very best. With flexible diet plans that fit your lifestyle, Optifast is a convenient way to manage weight loss, but it's also more than just a diet plan. As the pounds melt away, you will be able to access all the educational resources on our official Optifast website, as well as join our support group on Facebook. You can find the links in the description below. These resources will not only help you achieve your weight loss goals, but also ensure you keep the weight off long term. No matter where you are on your weight loss journey, there are many reasons why you should consider Optifast products as part of your long-term weight loss plan. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to see more videos for tips on how you can stay healthy and on track with your diet plan.